Hello everyone. In this particular lecture, we're going to discuss on instruments in trading, option buying, selling, futures trading, cash. We call these as instrument. We analyze the charts using our logics, our understanding of the price, and then we make trading decisions. And to trade on the markets, we need certain instruments. Without instruments or without choosing instruments, we cannot trade in the market. So instruments are very important, and choosing instruments are the most important part before analyzing the charts or after analyzing the charts. The first instrument is option buying. The second is option selling. The fourth instrument that the traders use to trade in the market is buying or selling futures. And fourth, mostly for investment purpose they use, is cash. They buy in cash. So option buying, selling, futures and cash are the instruments in trading. And in this particular video or the course, we're going to learn only on option buying and option selling. Now coming to intraday, swing, positional and investment. These are different forms of trading. What is intraday? If a trader buys and sells in the same day, it's called intraday trading. What is swing? If a trader buy and sell within a period of 2-3 days or even a week, it's called swing trading. If a trader make a buy transaction and a sell transaction, and the period between the buy and the sell transaction is around 2 weeks or a month or a quarter, it's called positional trading. And if a buy order and the sell order difference, the duration difference is more than a year, it's called investment. So in this course, we're going to learn option buying and selling with respect to intraday trading, swing trading, as well as positional trading. Which means after learning the course, you can either make your trading decisions on intraday basis or a swing basis or a positional basis. That's up to you. Thank you.